Have you ever felt like your team was speaking different languages, even when using the same words? That disconnect, the missed messages, and the unspoken assumptions can derail even the most well-planned projects, leading to frustration and inefficiency. Establishing effective team communication channels involves a deliberate strategy of selecting and implementing the right tools and protocols, ensuring every team member knows how and when to communicate critical information. The underlying principle is that different types of information and levels of urgency requiring distinct channels to be truly effective. A misunderstanding often arises not from a lack of talking, but from using an unsuitable channel for the message, which ultimately leads to delays, frustration, and costly rework. This strategic alignment of message with medium is key. To implement this effectively, begin by assessing your project's unique requirements and your team's preferences. First, categorize your communication needs, separating urgent issues from routine updates, documentation requirements from brainstorming sessions, and formal decisions from informal check-ins. Next, assign a dedicated primary channel for each category. For instance, instant messaging for urgent real-time alerts, a project management platform for daily task updates and tracking, and a shared document repository for formal records and collaborative documents. Third, establish clear protocols and expectations for each channel. This includes defining expected response times, outlining content etiquette, and clarifying who is responsible for initiating and monitoring communication within specific channels. Make sure everyone understands when to use email versus a quick chat message, or when a formal meeting is necessary instead of an asynchronous discussion. Regularly communicate these guidelines and provide training to ensure consistent adoption across the entire team, making adjustments as you gather feedback and observe usage patterns. A key insight here is understanding the concept of communication latency, which is the delay between sending and receiving a message. Channels like real-time video calls have low latency, ideal for immediate problem solving, whereas email or a project management comment section has higher latency, perfect for thoughtful, asynchronous responses. Incorporating dedicated times for focused, undisturbed work, often called maker time, also reduces interruptions that fragmented communication can create. By respecting both low and high latency channels, you foster an environment where information flows optimally without constant distraction. By purposefully structuring how and where your team communicates, you not only improve information exchange but also boost productivity and morale. This proactive approach minimizes misunderstandings, streamlines decision-making, and ultimately empowers your team to work more cohesively and efficiently toward shared project goals, creating a truly harmonious and high-performing environment.